हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू द चैनल ऑफ टू ब्रोक डॉक्टर्स। दिस इज डॉक्टर रिया और आज हमारे साथ बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है डॉक्टर सारांशी, जो कि अपना कॉलेज का रिव्यू देंगे और अपने डिपार्टमेंट का रिव्यू देंगे आज। सो हाय डॉक्टर सारांशी, हाउ आर यू?
हाय रिया। व्हाट्सअप ऑल गुड। आप बताओ।
मैं बस बढ़िया। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। आप बस स्टार्टिंग में बताइए कि आप थोड़ा सा अपना शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए व्यूअर्स को, ताकि उनको पता चले।
See, I am Saranshi, Dr. Saranshi for people here, which I like don't relate to a lot, but yeah, Dr. Saranshi. I did my MBBS in 2016 batch in RUHS, and currently I am pursuing postgrad in anesthesia in SPMC Bikaner.
वेरी गुड। सो इन विच ईयर यू आर इन करेंटली?
Um, I would like to think कि I am a second year now
ओके।
because like my year has been completed,
करेक्ट
but
है।
apparently since first years have not came in yet, so the work is the labor first year only. So
Okay,
I don't
so
know.
apparently you are second year right now, waiting for
Yeah,
June.
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Waiting for June.
so Saranshi, how many co-PGs do you have right now?
We actually have a batch of 16 people,
Hmm.
but one of them didn't join, I think, in the last counseling or something. So we
Okay,
are currently 15 people.
okay,
But there are 16 seats in the department here.
okay. So batch size is always 16.
Yeah, matlab, our seniors and our third years are 16 people. We are 15.
Okay. How is life at the college? Like, how are you enjoying the life currently?
I think I am now. In the
Hmm.
beginning, it was tough for me
Hmm.
to adapt to a place जहाँ पे as co-PGs मैं किसी को जानती नहीं थी.
ठीक है।
है ना. और
Hmm.
आपको पता नहीं आपको क्या करना है. यू हैव टू
Hmm.
जस्ट शैडो पीपल एंड लर्न कि सब कुछ क्या हो रहा है. और यू हैव टू स्टे क्वाइट एंड लर्न विच इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. मतलब आई थिंक आई ग्रास्प्ड थिंग्स कि
Right.
ओटी में आपको क्या कैसे करना है. व्हाट प्रोसीजर्स आर गोइंग ऑन. व्हाट डू यू नीड टू डू. व्हाट ऑल यू नीड टू मॉनिटर. एंड देन you've developed a relationship with your co-PGs and seniors and PGs from other departments. So, yeah, I wake up and I kind of look forward to going to the department.
That's
It's good.
nice. So you are liking the branch now, basically.
Yeah, as opposed to when I joined, I was very depressed about
Okay.
it. But
Okay.
I think now, since I got to learn things and do stuff practically, I think now I appreciate the branch and the people who are doing this.
As you said that you were depressed when you joined. So, can I say that this is not the branch where you want to join or do you wanted to take? Like, is it something else you wanted to take?
Actually, the problem was in 10th standard, I knew nothing.
Okay.
And I took up bio because in my
Okay.
family, people take bio.
Okay. So, you are not first generation doctor, as
Yeah,
matlab,
no, I'm a second generation doctor. My
oh,
parents
nice.
have been in the same college.
Okay.
They're working here. They passed
Okay.
out from here.
Okay.
So, yeah, so I didn't know anything. So in
Okay.
10th standard, I took up bio.
Okay.
उसके बाद I got into MBBS.
Okay.
उसके बाद I took a drop and I prepared for USMLE.
Okay.
I couldn't crack the exam, and
Okay.
4 or 5 months after that, NEET PG
Happens.
happened.
Hmm.
So I gave the exam
Hmm.
and I got the seat in the last round of counseling.
Okay. So, what are your usual working hours, Saranshi?
Okay. Usual working hours in winters, it is basically routine 9 to 3.
Okay.
Usually, it gets till a little bit later, 3:30,
Hmm.
4-ish.
Hmm.
And apart from that, twice in a week, we have to do like a call duty, which is
Correct.
almost 36 hours.
Okay.
So, for example, if I have a call on Monday, I'll go in the morning, 9 a.m. on a Monday, and I'll be free like by 3:30 p.m. on Tuesday.
On Tuesday. Okay.
That
And
you have to do twice a week.
okay. And when you're not on a call, then
Then it is 9 to 3 or like
nine.
9 to 4 because the OT gets over a little late. So yeah, 9 to 4.
Okay. 9 to 3 or 9 to 4, basically.
4, yeah. Hmm.
Okay. So, matlab, how is the roster divided between you PGs? Like, how often you said that your duties come every twice a week, basically.
Yeah,
So,
twice a week.
how is that roster divided? Because you have 15 PGs in first year, 16, I think, in second year, 16 in third year.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
How is it
So it is
divided?
like 4 or 5 people on call
Okay.
daily
Okay.
in a week, right?
Okay.
Sometimes there are 4 people. If it is a GH or something, then there are 5 people. It gets
Okay.
divided. So for like this week, I had a duty on Sunday, then
Hmm.
Wednesday and Saturday. So
Okay.
good division. I get 2 days free each May, the whole
Okay.
week.
Okay.
But sometimes it happens that you have a duty on Monday and a Wednesday then.
Okay.
Then you have the
Okay.
whole week free. So that is
Okay.
very random. The department has the whole roster thing. Apparently, they're calculating something and doing it.
Okay. Okay.
We literally just follow the official roster that comes.
So 4 5 people from the same batch or from all the three batches?
No, 4 people from one batch, 4 people from another batch, and 4 people from the other batch.
So total 12 people are there on one call, basically, on one
Yeah,
duty call
on
day.
duty call, because actually our OTs are in here in Bikaner. It is not segregated. So we have trauma OT, and
Okay.
trauma OT has like neurosurgery and ortho going on. Then you
Okay.
have surgery OTs, and then you have
Okay.
gynae OTs,
Okay. Okay.
and then ICU. So
Okay.
there are different places on call people need to stay.
Okay. Okay. And are these duties very hectic? Like you have to constantly be in the OT or you get some free time in between?
Yesterday I had a gynae OT call, right? Um, till 3 a.m. cases were going on, and I was awake doing the cases. Then I woke my co-PG up कि भाई उठ जा, अब
Hmm.
तू करा ले case. So after 3 to 6, he did it.
Okay.
So if you are lucky, you get 2 3 hours of sleep. If you are lucky.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, sometimes it goes on for the whole night too. Some
Oh,
OTs get
oh,
hectic.
okay. So you will rate this as a hectic, basically branch, if you say.
Yeah, for people who are thinking कि anesthesia would be easy, some of the juniors from my college also like talk to me कि बॉस इतना हेक्टिक आई डोंट वांट टू डू, तो मैं से एनेस्थीसिया और ऑप्थैल सोच रही हूँ भरने का. भाई
नहीं.
नहीं, इट इज टफ.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
मतलब sometimes you literally feel broken. Like
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
come
Hmm.
and I
Hmm.
sleep at 3 p.m. and I
Hmm.
wake up the next morning.
Okay.
Sometimes that hectic. The calls sometimes get very hectic.
Okay. So, like after coming to this branch, now you are 1 year into this branch, basically proper. What do you think is the most thrilling thing about your branch that is still keep you going to department and college every day?
I think it is. People would say it is a life-saving branch and you need to be on your toes. And for me, that is not the thrill. Just the act of doing a procedure. I
Hmm.
can't tell you intubations and spinals, and that is a different thing. Na? Whenever I put a cannula in a patient, na, it just keeps me going. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I'm always excited to just do
Do a
something. It is such
procedure.
a stupid thing. But just like कि यार चलो अच्छा ठीक है मैं कैनला लगा देती हूँ. तो ऐसे अच्छा लगता है कि ठीक है वो even that is enough for me.
I've
Getting new procedures and wo is obviously a different thing.
right,
If
right,
I
right,
get to do
right.
like 7 intubations on a call and I might
Hmm.
not sleep a second
Hmm.
and I would have like 15,000 steps,
Hmm.
that would be a wonderful call.
Call. Right. Okay. So you basically love, I can say now that you are loving this job basically now.
Yeah, and it is so hard for me to admit that I am
Uh,
liking the profession.
but your face lights up every time I talk about this branch. So, yeah. So, tell me more about this branch now. Basically, like how many procedures, how much like a first year gets, uh, is he or she getting spinal or like intubation thing? Are you doing it in the first year? Are you getting this in after first year?
No, in first year you're getting it. Also, what I've heard from other people is Bikaner SPMC is a very hands-on department.
Okay. Hmm.
So yeah, first years are getting to do stuff, a lot of stuff. Or also, like one of our seniors, matlab one of my UG seniors is doing this from Jodhpur.
Okay.
So Jodhpur being a big city and a bigger hospital, so she's getting more of it.
Okay.
So I think it's place to place. Now, obviously, if you're doing this in Delhi and there are like 500 patients in a day, then you get to do more of it.
Correct, 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 correct.
Yeah, but matlab, the department is very student oriented.
Okay.
In general, the faculty is here to guide us.
Okay. Perfect.
More or less, they wouldn't, matlab, if they are doing something, it is for demonstration.
Okay.
Or if it is difficult and we are not able to do it.
Okay.
As second
Perfect.
years or third years, only then and then the faculty would jump in.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, very student oriented program, like very resident oriented department.
Hmm. Okay. As you talked about the department, so how strict is your department with respect to giving you leaves and the toxicity, which we all talk about now? So, how toxic is the department?
See, toxicity in our department, the thing is that the you have to interact. There is a very strict hierarchy,
Okay. Hmm.
right? I have to interact with second years.
Okay. Hmm.
Second years interact with the third years.
Hmm.
I cannot directly go to a professor and be like,
Hmm. Hmm.
ma'am, would you like, I just cannot, even if I have to inform on a case, I can't directly go to the professor and do that.
Correct.
It has very simple set rules.
Hmm.
You have to go to the second year.
Hmm.
Second year would go and tell the third year. Third year will go to the AP, SR, and SR would go to the AP.
Hmm.
That is how it is done.
Okay.
So, because of that, there is a distance between the faculty and the first years. A
First
lot
years.
of
Right.
distance.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
So even if it is not so strict, it is a very say homely sa department, now.
Hmm. Hmm.
They
Hmm.
treat you as kids, not
Hmm.
as
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
residents.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
You
Hmm.
get treated here as kids. But the thing is that since there is that much distance because of the hierarchy, so we feel like, मतलब I feel like कि या मतलब मैम के आगे बोलने में यार
डर
5 दिन
लगता है.
की छुट्टी कैसे मांगो, मतलब
हम्म.
आपको
हम्म.
खुद को ही अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है कि
हम्म.
क्या
हम्म.
बदतमीजी है ये.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
That is what I feel like.
So how many co-PGs are from other state? मतलब if we on an average, like how many people come from other state?
A lot of people from other states. I think half of the PGs are from other state.
Other
Mostly
state.
like from Haryana, Punjab, and some from the south too, like Andhra, Vijayawada. We have people from south
So are
too.
they getting
And
hmm. Hmm. So are they
yeah,
getting hostel here and are they facing any language or what you say like difficulties like state discrimination something like that is happening in the department?
um, yeah, I not in the department, but I feel like in general, if you're socializing, I feel like there is a sort of something holding them back. I feel
Hmm.
so.
Hmm.
Matlab, I feel
Okay.
like they're not that comfortably able to interact with
Okay.
people. I feel that. I have not
Is
talked to,
is that the
but
boundary
I
that
feel
we
so.
have created between them and us, or is it like from the other side? Like suppose I if I go to other state for studying, I also get intimidated, right? So,
Yeah,
matlab,
I think it is on both sides. Yeah,
yeah, okay,
but I sometimes feel like their accent is being made fun of,
okay, hmm,
and I hate that. Matlab,
hmm,
that kind of treatment is not acceptable. As a
okay,
person, I would never do that to
hmm,
somebody.
hmm,
But
hmm,
I also feel like यार मजाक मजाक में we sometimes do that.
okay. So,
है ना?
uh,
But
hmm. So people
difficult,
coming
I
from
think है.
other state, would you tell them to come or would you be like कि मत आओ यार क्योंकि हो रहा है डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का क्योंकि ये जेन्युइन चीज है यार बहुत सारे लोग फेस कर रहे हैं एंड पीपल ऑलवेज ऑफन इग्नोर अदर स्टेट गुड कॉलेजेस बिकॉज एक डर रहता है दिमाग में नॉर्थ से साउथ जाते हुए बच्चा ये सोचता है कि यार हम जब साउथ जाएंगे ना हमें डिस्क्रिमिनेट होगा हमसे कोई
हो
पूछेगा
सकता है.
नहीं या ऐसे और सिमिलरली साउथ वाले बच्चे भी नॉर्थ में आने में इसलिए ही थोड़ा सा हिचकिचाते हैं क्योंकि उनको ये लगता है कि यार नहीं वहां पे हमारा मजाक उड़ेगा हमें कुछ और बोला जाएगा फूड प्रेफरेंसेस तो एज योर
हाँ,
करंट yes, as you are currently a resident and you have your friends from other state, so if you guys are talking, do they feel that thing exists, and would you say other juniors to come to this college for that or not?
I have seniors from Northeast too, and I have seniors from the South, from Kerala, and I have co-PGs from South. Language अब उनके लिए इतना issue नहीं है. They are able to मतलब communicate effectively, but I think it is difficult for them at first to jump into this, to make friends. It is difficult. मतलब
Right.
अगर ऐसे जयपुर हरियाणा पंजाब के जो लोग हैं मेरे आसपास के, अच्छा तुम उस कॉलेज से हो, हाँ मेरी सीनियर वहां से थी, और ऐसे ना, मतलब ऐसे जयपुर का कोई रेजिडेंट है, तो मतलब मुझे पता है उन लोगों के
हाँ.
बारे में, अच्छा तू वहां रहता है, ओ वो तो मेरे
हम्म.
कॉलेज के पीछे ही है. तो देर इज अ सेंस ऑफ रिलेटिविटी एंड बिलोंगिंग.
Correct.
But I think it is difficult for people who are coming from far away. They get to go home less. मतलब they get like a 15-day leave in a year to go to home
हम्म.
and come back. और यहाँ पे जयपुर वाले लोग तो हर तीसरे महीने 2 दिन की छुट्टी पे जाए आते हैं यार, क्या हो गया.
करेक्ट 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 करेक्ट.
तो आई फील इट इज डिफिकल्ट. अच्छा, इसमें भी आई फेल्ट कि पीपल हु आर एक्सट्रोवर्टेड
हम्म.
एंड हु आर कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट देमसेल्व्स,
हम्म.
एंड तो जिन्होंने ब्रांच पे थोड़ी ग्रास्प बना ली है,
हम्म.
जो पढ़ रहे हैं, जो
हम्म.
स्टूडियस है,
हम्म.
उनके लिए इट इज कंपैरेटिवली इजियर टू मेक द
करेक्ट.
मार्क फॉर देमसेल्व्स.
ओके. करेक्ट करेक्ट.
बट इट इज डेफिनेटली एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट ना.
हम्म.
I wouldn't say don't come here, but does that kid would require extra effort to make your mark here?
करेक्ट. ओके.
Definitely, a lot of extra effort.
ओके. So, like our hostel, as you said that you are a localite and you are a day scholar, but our hostel facilities available for everybody as per your knowledge?
Yeah. I think like many of my co-PGs are now living in like PGs and rented homes, but that is mostly because they feel it is convenient that way. Otherwise,
Okay.
everybody was firstly living in the hostel. The
Okay.
first accommodation most of them had was hostel.
Okay. So for every
उसके बाद
year,
they shift.
huh, okay. So for every year resident, hostel is available.
Yeah, I think so. Everybody who wants to live in the hostel is getting to live in the hostel.
So the most important question comes here. So how much stipend do you get and is it regular? Because people are concerned about this majorly कि पैसा मिल रहा है
Yeah,
या नहीं मिल रहा है.
या आप इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो, रातों रात जग रहे हो,
लग रहे हो.
तो कुछ तो खून, लेजिट
भाई.
खून पसीने की
Yes.
कमाई होनी चाहिए.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, it is somewhere between 86,000 and 90,000. And I think we got an increment for since we became second years. Apparently, on paper, we are second years. So, yeah. So, I think we got an increment, I think, but it is still less than 90. It is somewhere between 86 and 90,000.
Okay, so it is varying between 85 to 93, I guess, for all the
Yeah,
years. Like,
90. Yeah, after the increment, it would be like, I think 92 or something. Yeah, not
okay,
sure. Yeah, but
is
that.
it regular? The government giving regular or gap है between मतलब दो महीने में तीन महीने में दे रही
ये 2-3 महीने में तो अभी तक हमारी ऐसे शुरू में जो फर्स्ट स्टाइपेंड था, आई
है? हाँ.
थिंक इट टुक टाइम, 2.5 month later it came, I think. Otherwise तो it is regular, मतलब you don't get it on the second or third of every month, but I think by 15-16 you do get it.
Okay, okay, perfect. So, like, I would see this is very lame question to ask, but I am still asking because this is a query of many people. They are asking about the future scope of this branch. What can you do after doing MD? See, I know आपको ज्यादा नहीं पता होगा कि यार आज से मैं 2 साल बाद निकल के क्या करूंगी, और सबका पाथ अलग अलग होता है.
अलग
Somebody
होता है
do
डेफिनेटली.
DM, some, but most of your seniors, like super seniors, जो कि pass out हो चुके हैं, what did they choose as their path? तो मतलब on an average आपके कॉलेज से निकले हुए स्टूडेंट्स एनेस्थीसिया के usually what do they do, what is the future scope of them, what is the future scope of anesthesia in general? Before you came to this branch, did you research about it or something?
Yeah, no, I didn't research about it. Everything in my life just happened. The most unplanned life I
Right.
think I have. But yeah, matlab, I have seen people doing fellowships are a big thing apparently
Hmm.
nowadays because the
Hmm.
DM वाली seats बहुत कम है,
Okay. Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
बहुत कम है. So
Hmm.
fellowships are a thing.
Hmm.
And in a government setup, fellowship mean nothing.
Okay.
If I feel like I want to like stay SPMC in SPMC only in a government set call medical college or hospital, then doing fellowships kind of mean not so much. But I think like in metro cities, like even in Jaipur or in Delhi, if you're joining a private college and what like you have done a fellowship in pain management,
Hmm.
so it gains you extra point, it increases your salary.
Hmm.
We were talking about it. One of my seniors told me that one of my super seniors, I've obviously never met them, like our fourth years.
Hmm.
Um, he apparently did some fellowship in neuro, I think neuro
Hmm.
anesthesia, and just after PG, and then he got placed in a private hospital in I think Delhi, or he's earning very well. He's doing very good for himself. He has set his own working hours and he's doing well. But in the government setup, that doesn't help.
Hmm.
Also, I think the options in DM are like critical care, neuro anesthesia, cardiac anesthesia. Also, pain management is a booming branch here, and one of our faculty has done like a pain management fellowship from UK.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So he's trying his best to set it up here in SPMC, and abhi to it is very him oriented. Matlab, he's trying to get patients to know that there is pain management happening in SPMC in PBM Bikaner. I think if he gets settled a bit more, then we as resident would get to do more of it.
Okay, correct. Hmm.
आपको मतलब I think we would get exposure pain management का ना. It is a new and booming branch. It works very well. I think it is for me. I think कि after anesthesia, just me, I think that pain management would be a very good option.
Okay.
Also, neuro anesthesia. Before we came, there was no MCH in Bikaner in
Hmm.
neuro,
Hmm.
right? So MCH started this last year. So we have like
Okay,
MCH first years. So since there are new MCH first year, number of cases are
correct.
more cases are happening. So we are
Correct.
getting more exposure in neuro anesthesia too.
Okay.
We
Okay.
are getting to see more neurosurgeries assist there. And cardiac here, CTVS is not that much of a thing in Bikaner. It is not established. So the cardiac anesthesia part is very low for us. The senior I was talking about who's in Jodhpur, so she's getting good exposure for CTVS.
Correct.
We have like zero.
Okay.
बहुत ही
Correct.
कम गलती से like in once in 3 weeks you get to see a thoracotomy or something. Very less.
Correct. Correct. So, one more question. Did you purposely choose Bikaner because it's your home city or something like that, or is it by chance, by luck, or what do you say,
See,
by rank?
beggars can't be choosers. Beggars can't be choosers, right? The thing is that I had options. I had Jodhpur, Bikaner, Ajmer, and Jhalawad Kota anesthesia,
And out of Rajasthan?
right? Out of Rajasthan, I don't think I had options. Yeah, like, no, I didn't have any options out of
Correct.
Rajasthan. All India, I don't remember getting anything. So here, yeah, I had all these options, but I don't know why I got emotional at the end and I was like, यार नहीं मैं तो बीकानेर से ही करूंगी. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं घर रहना चाहती हूँ. I don't know. But at the end, there is this feel of belonging. ऐसे सोच के अच्छा लगता है ना. Your
Right.
father was doing just what में आप LP call करने जा रहे हो उसमें your father did his MD.
Okay.
Recently, I was posted in like a dental OT and there was a case in GA and my mother was operating.
Okay.
Yeah, and I was like the first year in anesthesia and I still have the photo of that notes na,
Hmm. Hmm.
जिसमें the surgeon's name is my mother's and the
Yeah.
anesthetist it's my name and I still have that notes की photo and मेरी और मम्मा की photo in the OT. So I think it
Nice.
it yeah, it kind
So,
of makes you feel something.
very good. So, however, it feels nice, but do you feel pressure that your mother and father are such a renowned physicians in their own expert, like own field? And like, do you feel any kind of pressure कि नहीं यार मुझे भी अच्छा करना ही पड़ेगा मेरे फील्ड में और उसी हॉस्पिटल से आप कर रहे हो जिस हॉस्पिटल से आपके फादर मदर बेसिकली वहां पे एम्प्लॉयड थे
Yeah, there are
एंड
expectations. There are definitely expectations, na. It
हम्म
is, yeah. People don't know you as you. People know you as their kid, which is
हम्म
good. Which is good. Since I know people here, which is good. But I think there is this. pressure of like not failing them. I remember there was this class test of ours, and my mama and my father were like, "तू हमारी नाक कटा देगी, पढ़ के चली जाना, हमारी इज्जत का क्या?" First
Right.
test we had department,
हाँ.
like I just, like 3-4 महीने हुए थे, and I was, but it is all fun and games. I feel like they do try to pressurize us. Me and my brother, he's also doing his undergrad from Hyderabad. He's
Okay.
in third year now.
Okay.
But yeah, so there is a competition amongst ourselves. Then there are cousins, or फिर there is the whole world also. But I think we have been brought up in a way जब हम नहीं लेते ये सब seriously. हम
Right.
अपने potential पे, मतलब मेरे लिए doing well professionally is not everything.
Right.
I need to have a life.
Okay.
I need to have good friends I can rant to.
Hmm.
I need to go out and socialize. I need to have a good family life. मतलब ऐसे
Right.
अंकल आंटी, मासा मासी, मामा मामी, बुआ फूफा से भी आपकी बननी चाहिए, कजिन से भी आपकी बननी चाहिए, ऐसे सब सेटल्ड होना चाहिए ना, सिर्फ आप ऐसे, यू कैन नॉट जस्ट लेट इट बी ऑल अबाउट योर प्रोफेशन.
So you strongly believe in work-life balance, basically.
या apparently more life less work.
Correct, correct, correct. So we'll not take much of your time, but like I want to ask you this thing. So अब suppose अगर इस साल आप नीट पीजी देते, would you have choose the same thing again? अगर चांस मिलता तो, और कुछ डिफरेंट लेते, मतलब what was your dream brand? Suppose you have taken anesthesia and it is very good now, you are liking it, but पहले क्या ड्रीम था, क्या लेने का मन था?
यार not I have not admitted this to a lot of people. I don't know. I've always liked surgery.
Okay.
I felt like I would. I don't know why.
Hmm.
पता नहीं, ऐसे जब फाइनल ईयर में आप सर्जरी पढ़ रहे थे ना, तब इट वाज अ सब्जेक्ट दैट एंटाइज्ड मी.
Hmm.
And I always, since I like draw and paint, so I feel like I would have been a good surgeon. Or
Hmm.
it could be a whole lot of Grey's Anatomy too. I don't know.
राइट, राइट. ग्रेस एनाटॉमी ने
Yeah.
बहुत लोगों को सर्जन बनाया है.
बहुत लोगों को सर्जन बनाया है, आई स्वेयर. बहुत
ट्रू.
लोगों को न्यूरो सर्जन भी बनाया है, आई फील लाइक.
बट डू यू
बट
हैव
आई
लाइक सर्जन फ्रेंड्स जिनको देख के आप मोटिवेट होते हो, या
नहीं
लगता है
नहीं,
नहीं
कोई
यार?
कोई फ्रेंड्स को देख के मोटिवेट नहीं हो रही हूँ मैं. आई रिमेम्बर इंटर्नशिप में लर्निंग हाउ टू सूचर,
हम्म.
एंड आई काइंड ऑफ जस्ट, आई जस्ट लाइक दैट. आई डोंट नो, मतलब मैं वही बता रही हूँ ना, कैनुला लगाना जितना बेसिक चीज है ना सूचर करना, बट जस्ट स्मॉल थिंग्स. मैं ये नहीं कह रही भाई मुझे न्यूरो सर्जन ही बनना ना. आई गेट हैप्पी अबाउट स्मॉल लिटिल थिंग्स. आज
ओके.
क्लास थी एंड आई आंसर्ड 3 क्वेश्चंस ब्रो. कितना पढ़ के गई थी मैं, तो इतने खुश हूँ मैं. बहुत खुश
राइट,
हूँ मैं.
राइट. लिटिल थिंग्स मेक यू हैप्पियर बेसिकली.
Yeah. I think that is why it is easier for me to do residency ना. अगर if I start taking things seriously, तो भाई मैं मतलब ऐसे साल भर रोने में निकल जाता है, I feel like.
बट दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट, आई थिंक दैट जो तुमने अभी पार्ट बोला कि यार रेजिडेंसी को आपको बहुत लाइटली लेना चाहिए, आई थिंक ऑल द रेजिडेंट शुड डू दैट, बिकॉज उसी से आपकी लाइफ में एक बैलेंस आता है. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आई मीन? मतलब मैं सिर्फ ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप जितना ज्यादा सीरियस अपनी लाइफ को लोगे, अपनी रेजिडेंसी को लोगे, उतना ही ज्यादा आई थिंक इट विल ट्रबल यू रेदर देन
नहीं, it would
एनीबॉडी एल्स.
definitely trouble you. What I feel like जो 9 से 3 के बीच में हुआ है ना, आप उसे वहां पर छोड़ कर आओ.
हम्म. हम्म.
After 3 I am a different person.
करेक्ट. हम्म.
आई एम मी. बट
हम्म.
आप उसको लाइटली भी नहीं ले सकते ना, बिकॉज यार
हम्म.
लाइफ सेविंग सिचुएशंस है ना.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट,
मैंने कुछ
करेक्ट.
गलत अगर करा है तो मैं उसको हवा में नहीं उड़ा सकती.
राइट.
आई नीड टू एक्सेप्ट द फैक्ट कि मैंने वो गलत किया था, और आई नीड टू मेक अ मेंटल नोट.
हम्म. हम्म.
और इसमें आई एम टेलिंग यू, देयर आर सम सीनियर्स जिन्होंने मुझे कई कई बातों में, टॉक्सिसिटी, यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट टॉक्सिसिटी राइट, वो मतलब हमें क्या टॉक्सिक लग रहा है कि एक सीनियर आपको सुबह से लेके शाम तक 15-50 चीजों में टोक रहा है.
हम्म.
आप
हम्म.
कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हो खुद से
हम्म.
ना,
हम्म.
कुछ
हम्म.
भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो,
हम्म.
कुछ भी. पर द थिंग इज दैट कि अब अगर मैं, वो मुझे सही चीज बताने की कोशिश कर रहा है ना, मतलब
हम्म
मैंने ये रियलाइज किया, जो सीनियर्स मुझे ज्यादा टॉक्सिक लग रहे थे, मैंने
हम्म
उनके अंडर सबसे ज्यादा सही टेक्निक और सबसे ज्यादा सही काम सीखा है। वो
हम्म।
आपको टोक इसलिए रहे हैं, वो आप पर गुस्सा इसलिए कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दे वांट थिंग्स टू बी डन इन अ सर्टेन वे। मैं
करेक्ट।
ये नहीं बोल रही कि टॉक्सिसिटी नहीं है या यहाँ पर नहीं है या कहीं भी नहीं है, पर पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस में मुझे ऐसा लगा यहाँ पर स्पेसिफिकली मेरे सीनियर्स के साथ कि अगर मैं परेशान हो रही हूँ किसी के बार बार मुझे नैग करने से या किसी के मेरे को गुस्सा करने से, तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ना, अगर मतलब वो एसेंशियल था। अब
हम्म
अगर मैं कभी मतलब रात को आप 3:30 बजे स्पाइनल लगा रहे हो और आपका मास्क लूज हो रहा है ना, आई रिमेम्बर वन ऑफ माई सेकेंड ईयर टेलिंग मी कि ये ट्रांसमिट हो जाएगा एंड व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दिस, और अगली बार दिख मत जाना मुझे बिना मास्क के स्पाइनल लगाते हुए ना। उसके बाद से मैं मास्क लूज है अगर मेरा, तो मैं स्पाइनल के लिए वॉश ही नहीं होती हूँ।
करेक्ट।
मतलब पहले
हम्म
आई नीड टू फास्टन माई मास्क, चेंज माई मास्क, अब वो मेरे दिमाग में इनबिल्ट हो गया है। अब कल
हम्म
को अगर मेरा कोई जूनियर आता है और उसका लूज मास्क लटक रहा है और वो स्पाइनल लगा रहा है, तो मैं उसको भी टोकूंगी, उसे
हम्म।
15 बार टोकूंगी जब तक वो मास्क सही से नहीं लगा रहा है।
राइट।
तो मतलब वो भी नेसेसरी आई थिंक, क्योंकि मैं सही बता रही हूँ, मैं जा रही होती हूँ वॉश होने और मेरा मास्क लूज है ना, तो वो सीनियर की आवाज आती है मेरे दिमाग में, आई एम नॉट इवन,
राइट।
कि अगली बार दिख मत जाना मुझे लूज मास्क के साथ स्पाइनल लगाते हुए।
So how would you, last question, and we'll not take much of your time. So how would you
I
rate
think
your
I took much
college?
of your time.
No, no, that's what we are trying to help people. So how would you rate your college, your branch, and your department out of 10? मतलब आप अपने हिसाब से ऑन एन एवरेज ये बता दो कि आप कितना रेट करोगे, ताकि बच्चे देख सके आगे के आने वाले, एंड दे कैन चूज देयर कॉलेज।
Um, yeah, it is a tough. uh, it is tough. I feel like because इसे DM branches का exposure थोड़ा कम है. I feel like we could do better in critical care and we could do better in CTVS here. So yeah, I think it would be a good like somewhere between 7 to 8.
7 to 8, correct. Okay.
Yeah. You
Okay.
get to see a lot of cases, but I feel like वो जो DM वाला exposure है ना, which we talked about, वो थोड़ा मतलब अभी lack कर रहा है। और आई फील लाइक इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू नो आवर ऑप्शंस। अगर मुझे पोस्ट ग्रेड में ही मेरे सारे ऑप्शंस पता लग जाएंगे, मैं सारे ऑप्शंस थोड़ा बहुत एक्सप्लोर कर पाऊंगी, तो बाद में मुझे क्या सोच करना है सोचने में बहुत आसानी हो जाएगी।
इजी रहेगा, राइट। हम्म।
वही तो, वो आई थिंक एज अ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट यू नीड टू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपोजर, अदरवाइज तो फिर आप बाद में यार हिट एंड ट्रायल ही कर रहे हो ना। हाउ वुड यू नो कि आपको बाद में जाके ये करना है, until और अनलेस आपका उसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं वो हुआ है डेवलप। और ये इंडिविजुअली करना चाहिए आपको, मतलब एज अ स्टूडेंट आपको अपना इंटरेस्ट खुद ढूंढना चाहिए,
करेक्ट। हम्म।
but which is very difficult for like non-studious people like me. You need to show me. So फिर I can easily. So I feel like because of that, it is somewhere between a 7 to 8.
हम्म।
Otherwise, good hand, good academics. We have a lot of classes. It is a different kind of stress now. Every Wednesday, you have to go to a class. Ah, scary.
Right. And it was lovely talking to you, Dr. Saranshi.
Yeah.
Thank you for giving us your time and feedback of your college and helping so many people out there. I hope
I,
this video helps people in choosing their desired branch and desired college. Thank you so much.
yeah. Yeah, I hope it helps people to not be as clueless as I